All right, YouTube, I couldn't be more excited right now. It's Jimmy's garage, and just got this bad boy home. Picked it up from storage. Got the GX ready to roll. So just unloaded the 2025. About to do all the high gear stuff. Was trying to not have to write it out and just pull it out, and I had to start it anyway. So got a smoky garage now. Good news is the battery's charged. So here we go. Going to I'm gonna stud the track, but not today because we're gonna go ride like tomorrow. But I am about to shut the garage because my fingers are freezing, and get the heat going. So then I'll get the high gear suspension on. I got carbides and studs for it, but I'm waiting on the tunnel protectors because these only have the it's like a center one, I guess. Yeah, wait, does this have the whole thing? Maybe I were. Anyways, I know I need to add the one that forms like an H back here, and then I'll see about adding the front one too. But all right, YouTube, Jimmy's garage. Really cool thing just happened. I posted a video of my Bimini review on my Solong, and Solong company, which was the coolest thing ever, called me and said, hey, we really liked the review, and it's, since it was absolutely like unpaid, whatever you want to call it, they just appreciated it, and they are sending me like a little swag pack. So that was really cool call. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what I get when it comes. So got the sled in the garage. Just did a 120-mile trip last Friday. Did Grayling, Michigan. Snow was awesome. Didn't film any of it, sorry. Yeah, so we went Grayling to Mansalona, Hideaway Bar, good spot. Through Lakes of the North, through Frederick, back to Grayling. Awesome day. Sleds did great. So I'm taking these off, putting them on my XP. Wife wanted the full muffs, so I was like, sweet, I'll take these. I love these. These are the Power Mad Fusions. They're like super cool, flexible handguards. I like them way better than the plastic Skidoo ones. So I got tunnel protectors. This has the center tunnel protector. I'm gonna add the rear now. I talked to iGrips. I got iGrips studs, and they said, I don't even think they said I needed a tunnel protector. They're like, if you have the factory one. But anyways, I got the this iGrips. What are they? These are the 28 millimeter SS 28200Rs. Comes with everything you need. 200 studs. It's a 137 track, so 4 per bar on the Ripsaw will do it. So I figure it's about to get really cold. We got like 8 inches today, a lot of snow. So I figure before we head up, I'll do that, and then I'll put the studs in. And then got these Slim Jim Woody's 6-inch runners as well. So I'll put those on. Yeah, I was told, like, I'm kind of new to sledding, so I was told that if you're gonna, it's like if you stud the track and you leave the factory 4-inch carbides up front, it's like putting, drag radials in the rear of your car, or, slicks in the rear, or, it's not a good comparison because you'd run like skinnies up front, but it's like putting really sticky tires in the rear of your car and not the front. So I kind of get it. So I figure, the suspension did great too, but I figure, put the easy kit on first. When I say the easy kit, so this is the BRP OEM kit. When I say the easy kit, I just mean the rear section of the tunnel protectors. And then I'll do the front ones at a later time. So my sled already has the center, so I don't actually need that, but that comes in the kit. And then I'm gonna do the rears. And there's already lots of videos out there on how they install. And then I'll do the front later. I don't think they're necessary, especially because iGrips replied to my email earlier and said that those studs are so small you don't have to worry about it. But here's the Ripsaw track. You can see up there I have the front tunnel protector, and so I'm just gonna add this easy to do rear one. All right, so I'm using a What is the size drill bit they tell you to use? It is a 3/32, and I put this what do you call it, drill bit stop at 19 millimeters, so that I don't have to deal with stopping the drill, you know, at 19 millimeters. Then I put their tool in my other drill. It's nice running 2 drills. So I'm following their pattern, but I just like that, and then doing this one-handed. But so yeah, I put the stud in there, and then I find my hole. And then I stop it exactly how the instructions say, which is where it's essentially flat, where that shoulder is like flush. That one's a little crooked because I did it one-handed. Not happy about that, but anyways, I'm almost done with the whole track. 200 studs, 4 per bar, avoiding the middle because of the center tunnel protector. It's pretty funny to see the difference in these carbides. These are the Woody's Slim Jim 6-inch. And then here's the factory 4-inch that comes in the do. Got these today too. So I'm taking off the power mads. Those are gonna go on my sled, and then these are gonna go on the wife's sled here.